Hey there, guys. Chet here. Today, we're going to compare the Shopify Basic plan and the Shopify Grow plan. If you're trying to understand the difference and you're wondering which one fits your needs, you aren't alone, but you're also in the right place. Before we start, let me give you a special offer. If you want to build your Shopify store the right way, check the link below for a 3-day Shopify free trial plus the $1 per month offer. You'll also get my complete Shopify course so that you can get everything set up with confidence. Now, let's get started. Now, first, let's look at pricing. That's the first topic many people want to know about. Shopify Basic is $25 per month. Shopify Grow starts at $65 per month. So the basic plan is more affordable for beginners. The Grow plan is designed for stores that are already running or for small teams that maybe need a little bit more control. Next, let's compare the card rates. On the basic plan, card rates for third-party payment providers start at 2%. On the Grow plan, this drops down to 1%. This means the more sales you make, the more money you save on the Grow plan. If your store processes a high number of transactions, the lower fee can make a big difference at the end of each month. Now let's look at the main features that you get with both plans. Shopify Basic includes 10 inventory locations, 24-hour chat support, and in-person selling with a phone or POS device. The Grow plan has the same features, but with one important upgrade. You get 5 staff accounts, which is a pretty big deal for stores that are growing and have team members who need their own login. On the basic plan, you do not get those extra staff accounts, so everything has to be managed under one login, which can be limiting. Both plans allow you to run a professional online store, accept payments, manage products, and sell in person. Both give you the same support and access to Shopify's powerful tools. So the difference is not in the basic e-commerce features. The real difference is in the team access and the lower payment fee on the Grow plan. Now let's break it down side by side. Shopify Basic is made for solo entrepreneurs who are just starting out. You get the core tools that you need to run a small store. You can manage products, accept payments, talk to customers, and keep your operations simple. It's perfect if you run the store alone and you do not need multiple team members. Shopify Grow is made for small teams. You get 5 staff accounts, which allows different people to manage orders, products, marketing, and support without sharing the same login. You also get the benefit of lower transaction fees, which means the plan pays for itself when your sales increase. So if your business is growing, the Grow plan gives you more freedom and better cost control. Let's talk about who should pick which plan. Choose the basic plan if you're a beginner. You're running your store alone, keeping things simple, and not making high volume sales yet. It gives you everything you need to launch and grow your first store without spending too much each month. Choose the Grow plan if you're working with the small team, processing many orders, or scaling your business. The 5 staff accounts make a huge difference in workflow, and the reduced transaction fees help save you money over time. It is the better choice if your business is already moving forward and you want more flexibility. My personal option is simple. If you're just getting started, the basic plan is more than enough. Learn the platform, grow the store, stay focused. Once your sales increase and you need more team support, upgrade to the Grow plan. It will feel like a natural next step. If you want to try Shopify for yourself, use the link below. You'll get a 3-day free trial, the $1 per month offer, and my complete Shopify course to help you set everything up. All right, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.